acoustics are on, John.
Copy that. Space Lab Huntsville for Carl.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Carl, we're looking at your plan for the day, and we agree that a good use of time would be to go with the LBMP setup at this time, and then you can pick up with the GBA development after that, and the GBA activities that I delineated for you earlier, and we'll move PCG glove box to after lunch activities.
That sounds great. We'll put that in work.
Copy.
When his experiment is completed, the droplet is retrieved, and if necessary, they clean up the inside of the chamber.
And we got a good deploy down here, Gene. No need to acknowledge.
Huntsville Space Lab, GBA.
Go ahead, Space Lab.
Okay, what's first on the agenda for GBA?
FO4 cellular. And I have just a few notes for you.
I'm ready to copy, yep.
Okay, Carl. On NOM 13, at step 14, you should have penciled into your procedures a note that says do not terminate FPA number 1 from group 10. This came up on the uplink summary 2 shifts ago for you.
Okay, we'll write that in.
Just a little background on that. If you remember from yesterday, during your shift, we decided that FPA number 4 would be our control in group 10 rather than FPA number 1. That's what this is related to. Your polyquarter will prompt you to terminate FPA 1, but we're interchanging FPA 1 for 4 these days. Cell 01.dat, when you finish FO4 and 5 today, we'll begin the transfer with the second line of this table. We'll do nothing to line 1.
I copy, thank you.
At different frequencies. liquids not surrounded by a container, known as containerless processing, which we're seeing now, are very difficult to study before going into space. But aboard the orbiting space shuttle, the drop physics module scientists are allowed to investigate properties and behaviors of liquids in an environment of very little gravity. Also, we refer to this as microgravity. Containment. And as you can see, the energy of sound waves scientists referring to this position as a zebra z-axis. As mentioned, the sound waves are applied to manipulate these drops in many different ways. Requested another drop be deployed inside the drop physics module acoustic chamber. Here we see the injector syringes. With a glycerol water mixture. What you saw there was an example of coalescence, the droplets coming together.
Go ahead, Carl.
Would you ask EPA if they want the data on the film to be printed between the frames or on the frame?
They prefer on the frame, Carl.
Roger.
Have the free decay filmed on the camera.